So I'm in a station somewhere, in the train station somewhere in Ukraine, and the air raid sirens are going off, and they're telling us to evacuate from the station. It looks like we're all getting evacuated outside, having everybody go outside the station. It looks like I'm just following the crowd. Nope, I was wrong there. Well, some people are going outside, but one of the employees directed us, we're going underground. I don't know if this is the subway system or whatnot, but we're going down underground. Looks like. I'm guessing the alert got lifted because people started standing up. There are a lot of kids down here, but everybody just started standing up when it sounds like some people got a notification on their phones. It sounded like it said that in Ukrainian that the alarm's over.